This video describes the process for late bonding a case to the Atos ticketing system. The scenario where you would do this is most likely if you were doing maintenance at a Northern California PSAP or maintenance somewhere in our network that you needed to notify Atos about in case they needed to do additional work themselves. So we're demonstrating taking a case that already exists in the system and then late bonding it to Atos after the fact. I'm using a test case that I've demonstrated, that I built for demonstration purposes. This will work with any case in the system. So let's go into the Details tab because there's important changes you need to make in the Details section of a case. The first is the case record type. As you'll recall from the Create a Case for eBonding to Atos video, the most important thing about that is the case record type needs to be of the Atos record type. Most cases that are in the system will start off as an internal case. So what you need to do is change that. So click on the Change Record Type and select Atos in this case. And then, similar to what we did when we created a case specifically for Atos eBonding, you check the account type. If it's a Northern California PSAP or the specific Atos Common Core account that we have set up, you change the account record to an appropriate account record that is eBondable to Atos. Then the last thing you'll do is check this eBonding checkbox, just like that, and then save that. You have to make sure you save that out of the Details tab or it won't get recorded. If you just close the window, it won't get recorded. Once you've saved all those, the last step in eBonding starts at the Feed tab. You go to this tab that says Late eBond. A button will come up that says Send Now, and when you click that button, it will late eBond the case to Atos. You'll know that if you go back into the Details section, you will see an Atos ticket number come up. Eventually, it might take a minute or two, but you'll see the Atos ticket number come up. You'll see the eBonded result and how it was eBonded via late bonding specifically, and you'll know that that case was eBonded. So again, 4 simple steps to late bonding a case to Atos. Change the case record type to Atos. Make sure it's a valid account that's eBondable to Atos. Check the eBonding checkbox, and from the Feed tab, go to Late Bond and hit the Send Now button. When you do those 4 steps, you will have late bonded a case to Atos.